What's up guys, it's Chop from Muck-Off, and today I'm going to be showing you the e-bike ultimate kit, which is going to help your e-bike stay clean and run smooth. So in this e-bike ultimate kit, you have everything you need to clean, protect and lubricate your bike. Let's take a closer look. Step 1, clean. We always start with a drivetrain cleaner. This biodegradable formula is enough to penetrate all that dirt and grime. So we want to spray the drivetrain cleaner over the entire drivetrain area. So that includes the cassette, the chainring, the chain and the derailleur. So whilst the drivetrain cleaner is working its magic, next up we want to grab our claw brush. This claw brush has multiple attachments to agitate all those hard to reach areas. So now your drivetrain is clean, next up we have the Nanotech bike spray. So what you'd need to do is pre-rinse your bike and spray this over your entire bike to let it work its magic, and no need to worry because this is perfectly safe for your e-bike. Included in the kit is our Microcell sponge, our soft wash brush and our 2-prong brush. The Microcell sponge is perfect for those delicate surfaces. So the soft wash brush is perfect for your entire bike and it's effective against any dirt on your frame without damaging the paintwork. The 2-prong brush, which is perfect for those hard to reach areas, including your chainstay, your seat stay, the back of the down tube, your hubs and your spokes. Right, so now we've just cleaned our bike. Next up, we're going to hit our protective range. And first up, we have MO94. So MO94 needs to be sprayed over your entire drivetrain area to drive out any moisture left over from cleaning. HCB1 Harsh Conditions Barrier is a barrier against corrosion, so your e-bike motor is going to be exposed throughout the year to lots of different conditions. First we want to shake the can, and then we want to spray it onto the motor, the electrical components, and any excess we want to wipe away with a microfiber cloth. Allow it to cure for 24 hours for maximum protection. So next up is lubrication, and we have two specific e-bike lubricants. First up we have the dry weather ceramic lube, which is ideal for sunny, dusty trails, and also the wet ceramic lube, which is perfect for those muddy, wintry conditions. Both of these e-bike lubricants have been specifically designed to withstand the higher torque that an e-bike motor produces, allowing your bike to run smoother and last longer. So there we have it. That is the e-bike ultimate kit, the perfect solution for your dirty e-bike.